Hey everyone, so today we're going to be showing you how to fix your phone charger cables if they are broken or pulling apart like this. I'm sure many people have this problem or issue, and I recently figured out how to solve it, so I thought I would share as well. So obviously if we let it go, it's going to continue to pull until this is no longer usable and you cannot charge your phone. What we're going to need is this little piece right here, and it's called a heat shrink tubing wrap or cover for electrical cables or insulation. And what we're gonna do is basically stick this through, and then you're gonna heat it up. It's gonna shrink, and then at that point, it'll secure your cable so that it will no longer pull apart. Okay, so let's get started. It's quite simple. What you're gonna have to do is buy this heat shrink tubing, and I'll put a link below, but they're quite cheap. And then you can see like this. And then we're gonna need a lighter. If you have one of those electric heaters in the tool shed, then that's even better. But okay, so let's go ahead and start. So in the beginning, you wanna line it up. Let's get it right there at the edge. Start off slow. So then like you're gonna have to get your hands ready to rotate. And then at this point, keep the lighter about 2.5 inches, 3 inches away. So then you just heat it up and start rotating. And I like to do it from the head to the cable. See how it's shrinking to fit now? There, it's working. So keep it around this 2.5 inches. Something like that. And then just keep twisting and turning. And then for the bottom part, since it's thinner, you're gonna have to spend more time. Ooh, this lighter is not very consistent. All right, so we almost have it done. I just wanna make sure to emphasize, do not put the lighter too close. Like I said, start off like 3 inches apart, and then move it. And while you rotate, you can go up and down a little bit. But then, yeah, don't get too close, because then you're gonna start burning the wire, the cable. All right, let's go examine it. Yeah, it's not hot at all, but you can definitely tell it's a little bit melted. And then at this point, just push it down. You wanna make sure you don't get it too hot. As you can see, works quite well. Now it's gonna support it so that the cable doesn't pull apart. And this thing will last you another good while. So if you have to, just keep repeating this process until it fits nice and snug. And the last warning, our little tip I want to say is make sure that you don't wrap it, or when you start heating it up, not to cover it too much, because then now you're not going to be able to stick in your phone. So what I'm going to have to do is get a razor and gently cut off the tip so that it's more like this one. Sorry that it's a little out of focus, guys. But as you can see, this one's nice and flush, almost. And this one, I kind of covered it too much. So it's gonna be hard to stick it through the iPhone. And yeah, once again, don't throw away your charger cord that's falling apart. You can fix it. So yeah. Please try it out and let me know how it goes. I hope this helps. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good day.